Gonna do the first shots today. ATI Omni Hybrid, Chamberlain 556. Got some flip-up sights on here. Added an ambidextrous charging handle. Foregrip, little skin right here on your grip. Added this stock. I had this handy dandy sling at the house already, so like I say, I bought this gun about 1.5 years ago. Never shot it. We're gonna see if we can make it do what it do. My cousin, shouts out to Corey, he bought this same gun. He actually had problems with it the first time he shot it. Say he cycled about 100 rounds or so through it. He said it was constantly jamming, so we don't know if it was the ammo or maybe the magazines. We gonna see, so don't be surprised if this jams. Again, first shots, ATI Omni Hybrid. Gonna aim for the number 2 on the target. Aiming for the number 2. Let's make sure they're loaded. Let's make sure it's loaded. Probably already ran into a problem. Trying to pull this back slightly just to see if it's loaded. So let's see. Aiming for the number 2. And it didn't shoot. Get the magazine up. Can't get the charging handle to move. I'll try a 20 round mag. Now let's see if that loaded. Still not moving. Could be this charging handle. Let's see if it shoots.
I need to smack that charging handle up. Is it? Alright.
Maybe this one will shoot. Cause I was able to pull it back. I'm just gonna pop off a shot. So it's the magazine. Can't wait to see what that one gonna do.
It's a reliable though.
Huh?
That's a reliable though. My favorite kind. Nothing beats a P-Mag in my opinion.
I'm actually gonna aim for that red can. No, I'm gonna aim dead center of the target. I aim dead center. Wanna see if they hit. I think it's pretty good. I keep aiming for the center. And a little bit to the left. Let's see if I can move that group over to the right a little bit. I think I moved it over to the right a little bit. Definitely got to get comfortable with shooting it. Shoot kind of funny.
first shot fan.
Probably work a lot better with an optic on it.
Yeah. I don't know mine like this, so I'm used to shooting mine like this right here though. I'm aiming for that 3 since it got like 3 or 4 in it already, but let me see.
It's on safe. Can you tell what they hitting?
No. Still off.
You still aiming for the middle?
No, I was aiming for the 3 the whole time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What, he's shooting a little bit to the right?
I can't even see. I'm gonna have to look when I look back on the videos. I'm gonna see. I know it had like 3 or 4 in it already.
Yeah.
So I don't think I hit it at all.
Try from right here. Yeah, probably have to start close and work your way back.
Yeah, like basketball start with the layup. I don't know what that is. It ain't engaged. I don't know, I feel like the trigger back already. Let me see, I feel be tripping. No, it is.
Yeah, drop that man. Yeah. See if I can shoot that can. Having a hard time seeing the pin. Right. Okay, I can see it better now.
Say it again. Hold on, say it again.
ATI Omni Hybrid. No bueno.
Yeah, I think it went. It looked nice. You didn't want to perform.
Yeah, man.
Now show the mag. Alright, didn't like that mag.
Yeah, this the one.
That's the one that like. It like this, an American Tactical. And it don't like P mags.
I don't think much do like P mags. Alright. It's time to get some work done.
And what that is?
Check that out. Huh?
What that is? What caliber?
3.6.
Oh, okay.
Savage Model 110. My favorite deer rifle. For some reason. All the deer rifles I got, I always gravitate toward that one, and that's the oldest. Well, next to the 30-30. pretty on, huh?
Oh yeah.
So this was the shot I just took. First one was here on the rest. This was without the rest. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth.
And that's the target right there.
Yeah, I'm aiming for the diamond the whole time. So now I'm gonna take one more shot offhand. Hopefully it'll be in the same general area. You gotta remember, a deer vitals, you need to hit about in this area to kill a deer. So, of course, we don't practice like that. Aim small, miss small. So even if I don't hit directly dead center in the diamond, I still should be okay. Ball pod come in handy. Letting the rifle cool. I got none in the internal magazine. Loading one bullet at a time since I'm not taking a lot of shots. Testing out this new scope. Eye relief is poor for me. But this is sitting back as far as it can go. So my eye relief is all jacked up, but I think I'll be okay to hit where I'm aiming. Find the hole. Oh, I said I was gonna shoot offhand. Let's get this out the way. But since I'm such a perfectionist, we'll go about 5 clicks more up and I'll be able to sleep better tonight. Ten times out of 10, when I take a shot with this rifle, I'll be shooting offhand because I'll be up in the tree stand. So of course, can't have this in the tree stand. On the ground, yeah. Tree stand, no. So my offhand shot is more important to me than using this tripod. Five clicks up. Let's go 6 for the set. Look like I hit off to the left. Feel like I pulled on that one. We'll take one more shot. But like I say, now these shots killing deer. I'm just such a perfectionist. figured I pulled a little bit on that last shot. So the one I just shot was right here. Shooting groups like that is pretty good. We'll call it a day.